your CTA doesn't always need to be there in the sense that it's saying, hey, check this out or do this. I would say firstly experiment with it. A lot of mine on my videos at the end are things like, do you agree? What do you think? Or something like that, so people would engage in the comments. And if you think about this, like I said a bit earlier, when you're building community with that question that Daniel Nunez asked, it may well be that all I'm looking for is comments. Because if I get engagement, they are people who have validated my content, who are showing an interest, and it might be that they become leads for me. That are people I decide to engage with, because ultimately I can speak to them and then move to a place where they might buy things, right? Or do a consulting call or whatever it might be. So by working on the basis that if I can create great content that drives engagement, that might be all I really need. So the call to action is more innate as part of the content, as opposed to me actively saying, do this or do that. So it's quite difficult. I have a number of reasons why I put out content. Sometimes it's just to drive engagement, so I can engage with new people that are writing comments, for example. If some people are so afraid of selling they do fail to include anything, I think there's nothing wrong with putting a CTA at the end, for example, of a video, because those that have bothered to spend time going through the whole thing are going to be interested, right? So they in turn are going to want to, or be more likely to engage in that call to action.